Kenyans in rural areas are accounting for the majority of online shopping activity, even as e-commerce platforms decry rising operational costs due to poor infrastructure in some areas and an evolving tax regime.
Jumia East Africa CEO Vinod Goel says improving rural roads and reviewing some taxes could propel Kenya to Africa's flagship model for inclusive e-commerce within the next 5 years.
According to Jumia Kenya's latest report dubbed E-commerce in Rural Kenya, expanding access, driving inclusion, connecting border to border, rural regions account for 60% of all online orders. This is a dramatic shift from the urban-driven model of the past decade, an expansion credited to deeper digital inclusion and a growing consumer trust in online marketplaces.
Jumia has the whole assortment. Exactly the millions of items which are available for the people in Nairobi are also available for everybody in the whole country. So you can be based in Lamu or in Ahero or in Molo, and you can get access to those millions of items almost at the same price as in Nairobi.
We want our youth, not to only look at being employed, but to also look at avenues where they can also be employers and also grow their entrepreneurship aspects through sectors such as e-commerce.
But even with the surging demand, Jumia Kenya is concerned that operational costs remain significantly higher in rural areas that could be addressed by improving the rural road infrastructure and a tax regime that is supportive to SMEs and digital marketplaces.
Around 25% of our cost is higher, simply because because of the network access and the road issues. And once these issues are solved, all those benefits of the unit economics will be actually passed to the customers.
The sector has been disjointed, but with the policy and with the strategy coming into place, we'll now bring the sector together. So we'll make sure that right from the point of the importers, right from the point of the platforms where those goods are, we are able to regulate both what products are on those platforms and even what the Kenyans have access to and they can consume.
Several bilateral e-commerce agreements that Kenya has sealed with other countries, coupled with national e-commerce policy, are expected to deepen digital trade and expand market access for SMEs. Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition.